Dr. Steven Nsabiyumva orukore by'amagara arukugambaho nabyo kwerinda ahamwatano gwa Uganda hamwe na DRC Congo hamwe n'Abashaho agizire ngo kukyakubaho bakatunga omurwaire wa Ebola babasa kuremwa kumukoraho ahabwo butagira byo kukozesana n'ebijwaro.
We had a meeting in Hotel and we were told that activity is sort of under WHO. And WHO, when we left also after that meeting, WHO came here and they trained VHTs still in epidemic response. 30 VHTs, they were oriented, it's orientation, not training here.
Dr. Anet Dusabe orukora tax force ahamze ngo mu kwezi kwa munana bakahinguza okushomesa abataka na nabandi abarabase kubahweraho konka byona bikaremwa kwikirizubwa ngo kandi tubine na isolation wards ezo kutamu abarwiri.
Health workers to be trained in case management. This has continued to be a challenge. Our health workers are not yet trained. Provision of tents and PPEs. We have no shelter, we have no isolation units, and we have no protective gears.
Hagisha fixe kande obira kuriro rukikoro agize ngo bacetaga byinji ebyo kukora bo kutangira Ebola kurga omwihanga rya DRC kutaho mu Uganda.
And they start checking using the detergents and people are concerned. Even when try to dodge, the locals say that one has not gone through the surveillance system. So we want to maintain this vigilance and also make sure that we don't get in another big.
Rita Birigiro nagira ngo emyanya yona eria haboda babasize kutaho ebijerekane byombazi kwenda ngo abantu banabe ngo konka emyanya ndijo tine cyagiro.
But they don't have even a hand washing facility. What they have is a jerry can. That is what they are using as what they call is a water gun where you enter from.
Ababire baryo muri Kikoro nubagira ngo kitongore cha UNHCR ngo nubo barukutamu sente kureba ngo bahereza abe by'amagara ebikwato ebyo kandi baraganiso kwija bakabaha za tente n'ebindi bikwato kureba ngo batangire Ebola kutaho mu Uganda.
I am still following up with my team in Kampala to support because Red Cross has managed to get tents for Chanika and Bunagana, and I'm following up with my team and to get maybe more tents for Busanza and Teko, 3 more tents, Busanza and Teko and the third place, yes.
Iranians, the driver when he was speaking from the store picked one and left the one we meant for Chanika, but he was instructed to bring it next week. So next week at least we expect a tent which is going to be erected in Chanika.
Ebola nendwara eri kutinisa munonga kandi negamba kuba yahereze kwita abantu barukika 40 omwihanga rya DRC kandi nejanjara kurabiro mu kuhika aha muntu rukubagine hamwe na hamizi go mubiri gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.